Happy Saturday. Y'all, I normally don't play these, but apparently I won $20 today. I don't know what the rules are. I don't even know about none of this. I just know I won $20. Okay, so we're in Walmart. To Sweet Frog. Okay, so just to catch y'all up to speed, we basically went to Walmart. After Walmart, we ended up going to Sweet Frog and getting some ice cream for the kids, and then we ended up going to Crumble Cookie. So anyways, we went to Crumble Cookie, and then eventually we just went back to my grandmother's house, and I went ahead and chopped up some carrots and some little potatoes, as I want to do something in the crock pot. So plan on making that this afternoon, because I just recently went into Kroger and got the chicken breast and chicken tenderloins that I would need. So my secret pal gave me a very cute apron that she made using her Cricut machine, and then gave me a $25 gift card to go to grab the ingredients to make something. So here I am. Also in Michael's, we did go to Michael's. This right here was like $7.99, and because I had the reward for the $5, I only had to pay $2 for this. So me and Scott will create these later. I used to love doing these back in the day. So I had just got home and realized that in order for me to make this crock pot meal, I need Parmesan cheese, and I need a family can of the chicken condensed soup, or whatever you call it. Cream of chicken, y'all, cream of chicken. So now, I'm gonna run over here to the food line real quick, grab what I need. It's supposed to start raining at like 3 o'clock, so I'm trying my best to hurry up and just get home. It is 3:37, but like I said, it's getting a little dark out here, so who knows what this weather is really gonna want to do. And I made it. Okay, so I ended up picking up 2 of these roast chicken flavored noodles. I'm gonna eat those when I get home. I'm hungry. And then I bought 2 bags of the Parmesan cheese and the 1 can of the family size cream of chicken soup. And Charles got some Coronas, little mini bottles. Sun is back out and shining. I'm glossing because I'm sweating, so I'm gonna head on home. All right, so for my dump and go meal, I have chicken breast tenderloins, 1 yellow onion, I have a packet of ranch salad dressing, the cream of chicken, the pre-cut potatoes, and the baby carrots, as well as some pepper. I am gonna go ahead and just dice up my onion really nicely. You just need one whole onion. Go ahead and put your cream of chicken soup and mix it up with that 1 packet of ranch. Mix it up really good. Meanwhile, I am gonna go ahead and wash off my chicken and go ahead and place that into the crock pot soon. Once you get started, you can either really use chicken breast or you can use chicken tenderloins. I use chicken tenderloins because it's just something that I had, and I was saving the chicken breast for a different meal. So in your crock pot, you're just going to go ahead and place in the chicken breast. I lined up the bottom of the crock pot with the chicken breast tenderloins and made it to where it was enough room, just because these will break up. Go ahead and add in that whole onion, and then next you're going to add in the potatoes and the baby carrots, and then you'll go ahead and put in your cream of chicken mixed with the ranch on top. You'll let this sit for about 4 to 5 hours on high, and then towards the end what you'll do is just come back and shred it, and it's going to be easy. Even if you want to use a spatula, that's totally fine. Like I said, 4 to 5 hours. You did it! Once your 4 to 5 hours is over, come on back over, use the spatula. It's going to be so easy to chop up everything. The carrots are going to be nice and tender. The chicken is nice and tender, and you can just mix everything back up. Once again, you can just use a spatula. You don't have to have a fork or 2 forks to shred this up. You're just going to easily shred it up using the spatula if you choose to, just like you see here. So it's just a great dump and go meal for any time, and I don't think the dump and go meals have to be just in the winter time. I think they can be all year round, especially in the summer when you're on the go and want to do things out with the kids, or if you want to do things in with the kids, you don't have to worry about going over to fix anything. This is something that you can just literally dump your 5 or 6 ingredients in this crock pot and go.